pretty sure that hive number 2 is doing a practice swarm right now. I'm pretty sure they are. It's been a year now watching them, and I just was watching them in the binoculars from the deck and realised, okay, they're either swarming right now or they're doing a practice swarm. I believe, watching them so far, I think it's a practice swarm. We'll see. So it looks like the old trick of knocking 2 pieces of steel together close by has the bees believing that it's thunder, and they will not swarm in a thunder storm. They will immediately cluster or go back into the hive. They started to either practice swarm or swarm, and I was fortunate, I saw it straight away, came down, started clanking 2 hive tools together, and whether it was that or just the fact that they were doing a practice swarm, they've all gone back in. So I need to do a split. I haven't got any weather until Friday, Saturday, and if they have a swarm cell, there's no stopping them, they're going to swarm. So we will see what I'm going to do. I'm just going to keep an eye on them for now. If they swarm, I have a swarm trap, a full-size swarm trap that I could put them in if I'm able to catch them. But I was slow on ordering a complete 5th hive, and that doesn't actually arrive until tomorrow. So I guess it's just a case of watch this space and we'll see what happens.